Hello there my loves, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can make an extra 10k a month using the dropshipping business model. So if you want to learn how to make an extra 10k a month dropshipping, you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Now for those of you guys who are not familiar with the term dropshipping, which I'm guessing you may know about dropshipping if you're watching this video right now, it's a business model that involves you not having to buy any inventory in bulk. Instead, you use your customers' money to pay your suppliers only after a sale has been made. So unlike the traditional way of doing business where you have to buy inventory in bulk and then hope that it sells, with dropshipping you don't buy any inventory in bulk. When a customer buys from you, you pass their order over to your supplier, paying them the cost for the wholesale price. They ship the order directly to your customer and you keep your profit. Okay, you don't have to handle no inventory in bulk. You don't have to deal with the shipping or fulfillment of orders, which makes it a really great way to earn passive income. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can actually go out there and make yourself some passive income using the dropshipping business model, and you can earn anywhere from 10k a month to 100k a month. Like, businesses are killing it out here guys with this dropshipping business model. So the first thing you want to do guys is you will want to find a dropshipping supplier that you can use to fulfill your orders for you, because this is really key to the dropshipping process. It's all about finding a vendor that can ship out good quality products in a great time frame to your customers. Okay, so a lot of people associate dropshipping with, oh, dropshipping is China, it's taking like 60 days for people to get their products. You don't have to only use Chinese based dropshippers. You can find dropshippers from literally any part of the world. If you head over to dropshipville.com, you can find dropshipping vendors from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Europe, different parts of the world guys, not just China. So don't feel like, oh, dropshipping is China. It's not China. It's just because China obviously is the largest dropshipping country in the world, because that's where a lot of products are manufactured and a lot of people dropship directly from the manufacturers. Okay, but you can actually find dropshippers from different parts of the world. You can also head over to sellpire.com, where you will find a vendor directory with over 900 plus vendors to choose from. You can also use platforms like salewho.com. I love salewho because you're not only restricted to clothing vendors, but you can find vendors for literally anything, and they have like thousands and tens of thousands of vendors out there to choose from. And I'll leave the dates down below this video. It's another amazing platform. You can find dropshipping vendors for not only clothing but like other things, general things out there that you want to sell. So definitely check out salewho.com if you're not really looking into just selling clothing and you want to sell maybe other products, for example. So once you found a vendor, the second thing you want to do guys is you want to create your website. Now you can actually create a website on platforms like Shopify. You can get started for free for the first 14 days and use that as a way to test the platform. Okay, it's free for the first 14 days and then it's about 29 bucks a month for the web hosting. Okay, so that's around 300 and just almost around $400 a year to pay for the web hosting. Okay, but if you're someone out there who's like, I don't want to create my website myself, I don't want to go through the techie stuff, it's too complicated for me, then I recommend that you check out dropshipfinds.com, where you can actually get your website designed for you by the team, and it comes preloaded with inventory that you can sell right away and start making money. Like, your job is literally just to go out there and promote. Your business is created for you, your website is designed for you, the inventory is there on the website. The website is connected to your payment account, so any sales that come through go straight to your payment account, and all you're literally doing is keeping your profit once someone buys from your website. And it's different niches to choose from guys. From, if you wanted to sell kids clothing, you can purchase a kids clothing website kit, you can purchase the women's clothing, you can purchase the fitness, you can purchase swimwear. We're now heading towards spring, summer. Like, swimwear is a great niche to tap into right now, because hey, we have warm weather now, people are going to the beach, people are going on holidays. That's a great niche tip for you guys to tap into. And you can actually purchase a swimwear website at dropshipfinds.com and get all the products on your website, as well as access to the vendors to ship the products directly to your customers. So head over to dropshipfinds.com if you're looking for an all-in-one platform that comes with your website designed for you, access to the Sellpire directory with over 900 vendors. You're going to get access to that as well as part of your membership. Free web hosting for the whole year. Like, you're not paying any extra $29 a month for web hosting. That's all included guys in the Dropship Finds membership. So once you have your website set up, the next thing of course is to go out there and start promoting your business. There's different ways, guys, that you can promote your business, from using Instagram, Facebook ads, you know, if you want to scale even faster. But what I would recommend that you get started with as a brand new store is to use influencer marketing. And this is something that I recently started using myself towards the end of last year and earlier this year. I used it for my book Momvotional, which launched in November 2021, I believe, November to December, around that time. Yeah, I used influencer marketing by literally getting other moms on board to promote my book for me. They were able to share that book within their own social media platforms, which meant that their own followers were able to see the book and then essentially go purchase the book because their followers already trust them. So it becomes second nature for them to go out there and actually buy the book because, you know, the review is coming from someone they look up to and they know, like, and trust already. Using that feedback now to promote the book. I'm using that feedback on the website to create content. I'm using that feedback now to run ads as well, because I'm like, hey, these are real people, right? Real moms reading this book and loving this book and leaving their reviews. So that then encourages other moms to go and purchase the book, and this is how I was able to sell hundreds of copies of that book, guys, in the space of just 2 months of launching. So think about influencers that you can connect with around your niche, that you can contact, you can reach out to and find out how they can essentially promote your product. For instance, send them some samples of your product, guys, and get them to create that content, get them to create that buzz, get them to hype up your business to their followers. And that's the best way to start attracting a huge following, right? Attracting a huge number of people back to your brand, and essentially the ability to scale your business and earn an extra 10K a month. And if you wanted to, you can then go on and run Facebook ads. Once you've gotten all that social proof, you can start running ads based off of the results that you already get. So I always say, before you run ads, make sure that you are getting some sort of results. So if people aren't buying in your business right now, don't go paying Facebook hoping that running a bunch of ads is going to get people to buy. Okay, you need to find out why your existing audience are not buying your products. Work on that first before you invest on some ads. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video useful with regards to starting a dropshipping business that can earn you an extra 10K a month and even more, because people are making 6 figures a month just dropshipping products that they never have to touch, they never have to fulfill, they never have to ship. And like I said, if you're looking for an all-in-one dropshipping platform, Dropship Finds is the place to be. A worthwhile investment, guys. $3.99 for the year at the time of recording this video. I'm not sure if that's going to change, but you know, if you're watching this video right now, head over to dropshipfinds.com and grab yourself your own all-in-one dropshipping business, okay, and start making that money. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.